Before I make some suggestions to handle this crisis and offer some solutions, and also share some successful programs which have been run in another state, and stick to this very important subject, I would make one comment to correct how this House was misled by the new chairman, the new secretary of the Communist Party of India in his maiden speech made just 1 hour ago. The Communist Party of India Marxist, sorry Mr. Raja, not you, Mr. Yechuri, who was talking about 24 potato farmers in Bengal. Where he got his numbers from, I don't know, but someone like the Communist Party of India shedding crocodile tears for farmers, I have to give some numbers here. CPIM, I have to give them some numbers from 1995. The Prime Minister had in fact said recently that this is not a new issue, this is an old issue, but I want to give you some numbers from Bengal. 1995 to 2015, averaged 1,200 to 1,300 every year. If you add up those 15 years in Bengal, 1995 to 2005, it is 19,331. So the CPIM is giving us lectures and shedding crocodile tears about farmers. Where was the CPIM when Taposhi Malik was raped and in Shingur and Tata Motors were taking away the plant? Where was the CPIM then when farmers' land was being taken away and Buddhadev Bhattacharya's guns were shooting in Nandigram? Who was there at one time? Indian history will record there was only one person there, and I'm proud to say in 2006, nobody here was talking about farmers. Mamata Banerjee was. Sir, I did not object to anybody. Sir, I did not speak. I did not interrupt Mr. Yechuri.
When he comes, he can reply. Otherwise, there is
no... defend. Now, sir, 2006. From 2006 to now, this is the situation. So we all know very much about farmers. One more point on 2006. 26-day hunger strike, putting her life in danger, was done between the 18th of December and the end of December in 2006 by my current Chief Minister of Bengal, my party Supremo. Now 2006 is gone. Now let's come to 2013. The Congress, that time UPA 2, and the BJP brought a bill here. The 2013 bill. I asked for a division on behalf of the party. There are 13 or 12 of us from Trinamool who, on record, voted against that bill. We thought it was a bad bill. We think this is a draconian bill. So whether you're this side or this side, stop shedding crocodile tears and trying to use this as a political subject. Stand by farmers. Now, please let us make it also very clear. Let me give you some good suggestions. Now, the first thing you'll say, Derek has never done any farming in his life. Of course I haven't. But I've been with the Trinamool Congress for 12 years. I've sat outside Shingur. I understand. I may not have farmed, and I speak bad Hindi. Excuse me for that. Sir, I have some suggestions to offer. And I'm going to give you not some suggestions coming out from some report only, on the ground suggestions. Sir, the first thing which has worked in Bengal for preventing farmer suicides, has worked in a big way, is the Kisan credit cards. In the last 2.5 years, 27 lakh Kisan credit cards have been issued. This is one system which works. Sir, please also look at, when we say farmers, the first picture that does not come to our mind is jute farmers. Sir, there are about 40 lakh jute farmers in India, sir. Please, you all were very generous the last time when you all retracted what you all did and corrected it. So please take good care of the jute farmers, because they need to be protected, especially for jute packaging. This is our second suggestion. Many MPs have made this suggestion before, including Professor who made it first, about increasing the MSP for rice. We are on the same page as that. Sir, my fourth point is related to how do you handle a crisis? And there will be many crises. I'm going to give you 3 quick ways a crisis was handled. For example, in potatoes in Bengal, we had a problem. So the first thing in the potato farmers, we procured directly from the farmers 50,000 MT, and we used, sir, a few minutes, because she fasted for 26 days. This is only 6 minutes, sir. So please allow me.
There's no connection actually.
50,000 MT was purchased directly. Here's an idea which you can suggest to the other states. And those potatoes were used for the midday meal and the ICDS scheme. This is one way, sir, to do it. Transport subsidy can offer for the farmers, as well as we offered the port subsidy. Sir, let me give you a legislative solution for the states. I know that the states have to do it, but maybe you can encourage them. The West Bengal Agricultural Produce Marketing Regulation, sir, this actually helped us in setting up 34 multi-purpose cold storages which are now being constructed in Bengal
For a non-farmer, you're giving great suggestions, but you know, time is up.
Yes, sir, my last point then. You allow me my last point, sir. Thank you. Sir, it's not about a non-farmer or anything else, sir. So let's go on to a more subject I may be a little more familiar with. This government is doing a lot of talk about digital India. Very good. So in this digital India, if you want to profile yourself, that's very, very good. Our suggestion is to, through science and technology, offer some use technology, use digital to improve agricultural output, fertility, and different kinds of crops. So the digital has to be put together for that. And the last point, sir, is this unfortunate farmer suicide death in Delhi. Here, my appeal to the Home Minister, my appeal to the party in Delhi is please do not politicize this issue. It's now going between some judicial magistrate and someone is saying, the government is saying in Delhi that they are not cooperating the police. Let's rise above this, sir. Please let us rise above this, because when it comes to farmers on this land bill, we will be right up in the front. Everybody else can take the credit, we don't mind. But that land bill is going nowhere, nowhere, nowhere. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Shri